just steal my top 20 manifestation tips because I am sure that they are going to work for you. Hi, you guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. My name is Jyotsna. I wanted to give you the top 20 manifestation tips that I have in my personal notes. These are the pointers that really helped me, especially when I was researching and studying about manifestation. I genuinely believe that once you know these 20 pointers, it becomes very easy for you to break down the process of manifestation and actually understand the key secrets to manifesting instantly. So, without any further delay, let's get started. First point, the universe does not respond to need, it responds to certainty. You have to stay in the state of certainty in order to see movement. It's not about you wanting, desiring, obsessing, chasing. It's all about you being in the state of alignment and certainty, and you'll automatically manifest or attract anything you want. Point two, you don't need to see proof to believe it. The proof automatically comes once you shift internally. You just have to mentally convince yourself that it is already done, and you will eventually see your reality change as well. Point three, you don't attract what you want, you attract based on who you are. So, who you believe you are, who you identify yourself with, that is what you start attracting in your life. So, instead of seeing your desires as separate from you, start treating your desires as part of your identity and step into the version of yourself who already has everything. Point four, stop rehearsing and mentally thinking about your current reality, your current complaints, your current worries, thinking about all the uncertainty. Instead of that, use that energy, use that time and attention to think about what you truly want. Rehearse the reality that you want to see instead. Point number five, your brain does not understand the difference between what's real and what's imagined. So start telling a new story to your brain in order to see things change in your reality. Point six, your job is not to think about how an outcome is going to happen, when your manifestation is going to come, how long is it going to take in order for you to receive it. That is not your job. Your job is simply to place the order. It is simply to decide, set that intention, talk to the universe, talk to yourself, talk to your higher self, whatever you prefer. All you have to do is decide and stay in that state of certainty. That's all. Think as if it's already done and act as if you already have it. The opportunities, the signs, the right move, every single thing will fall into place, and you'll eventually know that once you assume it is done. Point number seven, your outer world is just a reflection of your inner world, but with a slight delay. That is why you need to start thinking thoughts that work in your favor right now, as in today, so that you see your tomorrow change. Point number eight, your self concept is the silent program that literally controls and runs your reality. The way people treat you, the opportunities you always see, the bank balance that you currently have, it is all a reflection of your self concept. Point number nine, visualization is not a talent but a skill. It is attainable, it is something that you can learn. The most powerful people that you know, they have honed the skill of visualization and they practice it almost every single day. You need to start practicing visualization daily in order to see things work in your favor. You can do visualization with meditations, with quantum tapes. You can also practice SADS by Neville Goddard. There are multiple visualization methods. Let me know in the comments down below if you want me to cover that, and I'll be happy to cover them. Point number 10, change the vocabulary to match the reality you want to see. So instead of saying statements like, I wish I get this, I hope I get this, why do I not see this anymore? It is eventually going to come into my life. Start assuming and repeating sentences that say it is already done. It is something that has already been fulfilled. It is already mine. Repeat these instead of repeating any wishful thinking and hopeful statements. Point number 11, think, speak, believe, and act like it has already happened. Once you assume and believe that it is already done, it is almost like you're giving a mental confirmation to your subconscious mind, and it automatically helps you eventually attract it. Step number 12, practice method acting as much as possible every single day. Brainwash your mind into thinking that you're playing a new character, a new role, or you can also consider yourself as a new hero or heroine in a movie, and you are basically going to shift into the version of yourself who is the best and the highest version. Assume this identity and this character that you're playing so much that it actually becomes a permanent reality. Point number 13, if you assume something about you is like a true fact in your reality, then life has no other choice but to show you evidence for it. So it does not matter what your assumptions are. The second you believe and assume it as a true fact, you will start seeing movement in your reality. 14th point, repeating affirmations is not wishful thinking. There are hundreds, if not thousands of success stories with people who have practiced robotic affirming or have practiced just listening to an affirmation tape daily, and have said that it shifted them energetically or it became very easy for them to manifest their desires. So if affirmations has worked for thousands of people, then I don't see why it wouldn't work for you. Even if you don't like robotic affirming, there are so many other methods where you can literally just write an affirmation, or you can listen to an affirmation tape, or you can basically just read the affirmations once in a while, and that helps you quantum leap as well. At the end of the day, affirmations are positive statements, but the more you repeat it, the more you train your subconscious mind to believe them as a true fact about your life. That is why they work so well for so many people. 15th point, repetition is the key. Your subconscious mind absorbs every single thought that you have as a sponge, especially the thoughts that you think about constantly. So instead of thinking about your worries 4 hours or 5 hours in a day, why not repeat affirmations that work in your favor? Because at the end of the day, consistency, discipline, and repetition gives the results that you truly want. Even 10 minutes each day is more than enough. The secret is to keep it consistent. Repeat it every single day and brainwash your mind into thinking that's already your reality. 16th point, write a new story about your life with the new identity or the new version you're assuming. Write as if it's already done and read it every single day so that it becomes a gentle reminder that you've already manifested this dream life. Point number 17. The waiting period that you're currently experiencing is not because the universe is trying to make you earn it. It is literally because you are still conflicting or wavering with that old story, as well as trying to dive into the new story. If you're still checking your 3D, if you're still doubting the process, if you're still anticipating, waiting for a movement, waiting for a change, waiting to see when your affirmations will work for you, that just shows that you do not trust the universe or you do not trust yourself. The more impatient you get and you actually set limits and conditions to how the process of manifestation has to unfold for you, the more delay it will cause. Stop assuming that there is a waiting period. Assume it is already done. Assume it's already here. So you don't have to wait or worry about it anymore. 18th point, instead of arguing with your logical mind and trying to find reasons, excuses for why things are not working out in your favor, just assume and identify yourself with that new story. No matter how difficult your situation may seem, no matter how much your logical mind is trying to argue with you, do not react to that. Decide that good things are possible for you and you are naturally a powerful manifester, and you will start seeing evidence for that in the next few days. 19th point, identity shifting is the fastest way to see any results you want in your 3D. You know you're the creator of your reality, so you have to assume and believe that you are the main character. Take full responsibility for your current reality and actually have an action plan in order to execute what you can do better tomorrow in order to become and step into that identity of someone who basically attracts everything. Trust me, you will know the answer once you start scripting, and once you actually develop an action plan with healthy and positive habits, you will automatically know exactly what to do in order to shift and become that highest version. The last point, but definitely not the least, none of these techniques are going to help you if you go back to your old identity, the old thinking patterns, all of the negativity that you currently faced or were facing before, and you get back to thinking in that manner. Then none of the techniques will work. On an average, we have more than 50,000 thoughts per day. That is why it becomes very important to realize and understand that how many thoughts are we thinking in our favor and how many thoughts are we thinking against our favor. So that is what matters the most, and that is what I think helps you quantum leap. Ultimately, it is your mindset that helps you win. You have to train your mind to believe that certain things are possible for you, even if they seem impossible, even if it's currently unseen, even if your physical reality is not giving you even a little bit proof about it. You have to develop the mindset that it is possible for you. If you want to develop that mindset, then you have to check out Manifest Instantly. I teach you step by step exactly how to develop that mindset and how to shift into the version of yourself that already has all their desires. Manifest Instantly comes with all of my affirmation tapes, my ebooks, my quantum tapes, every single thing you need in your journey of manifestation. My course covers all of that. In fact, I keep adding new materials every month. So if you purchase it now, you're literally purchasing it at its lowest price. It's just $99 on Stan Store currently. So make sure to check it out. I will put a link for my course and any other details that you want in the description box below. So definitely check it out. So that was it for today's video, you guys. Let me know in the comments down below what is a point that you resonated the most with. I would love to know that. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Lots of love. Bye.